Hi, everybody. This is Ed Dukla with your Ink Tip of the Week. Well, first and foremost, I wanted to make sure you're all doing well, healthy, and then just kind of touching base here just with one or two thoughts. And then, of course, just this continuing saying, hey, what can I do to help? All right. Well, first and foremost, hope everybody's doing well. Secondly, if you start looking at a rhythm or routine that you might be getting into right now, I would imagine Google Classroom is at the heart of it. And then Screencastify might be my next go-to because it allows me to go ahead and do those instructional videos. Again, trying to keep those short would be one of my definite go-tos on that. The next tool that comes to mind is EDpuzzle. So what I'm talking about now is if you're starting to make those videos, are the students actually watching? And EDpuzzle is a way that you can go ahead and embed questions and voiceovers and things along those lines. So that would be my third go-to as we look at distance learning. So first, what am I talking about? Well, if you go to our EdTech resource page, hopefully you are using this. Please, if you're not yet, make this a go-to. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up to the South Windsor screen, and then I'm going to come into staff resources, and we were fortunate enough to get it just 2 clicks in. You're just going to scroll down, and just down a little ways, you're going to see EdTech resources right here. Okay, so we tried to put all the tools just in one site, easy, accessible. At least that was the intent. When you check that out, what you're going to do is be able to come down here. And like I said, go-tos being Classroom, Screencastify, and then right next to it, EDpuzzle. And then if you want to learn more, it's going to be right here. Okay, so I don't want to do the basics. Okay, what I would like to do is, I know a number of you are already using this. First and foremost, if you've been using this or you want to use this, please come down right here and you can see upgrade codes. Now, we do have a license for EDpuzzle, and they're making it extremely easy for us to get into the pro version. So all you need to do is click on the SWHS and that'll take you right there. Okay, again, for those of you that are using EDpuzzle, here's a nice little quick tip to save you some time. EDpuzzle has an extension. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in EDpuzzle. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the extension. So when I go ahead and take a look at that, and I click on Google Chrome, I then want to go ahead and add it to my tools. It'll say add the extension, and it's going to pop it in right here. Now, I don't like their new icon, but it is what it is. So it's sitting right there. Now, what did I just do? Well, because I now have that installed, take a look. If I go to YouTube, and I go ahead and do the search for any of my videos that I want to use for class, but I know I don't want to just use the video. I want to put some questions in. I want to make sure, hey, I want to use EDpuzzle. All right. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to put in Google Keep. And oops, yeah, Google Keep is fine. Now, if I go ahead and I say, this is exactly the one that I want, check out what happens now. I don't just get the video. I get this down below it right here. So I can edit with EDpuzzle. And when I click on that, it's going to take me right into my EDpuzzle account. Once it gets called up, I'll be able to embed the questions, the voiceovers, etc. And now you can see, especially for people that are familiar with EDpuzzle, I am right in there now. I can go and edit this. I can go ahead, put the voiceovers, put the questions in. So I'm hoping this has been helpful. A quick, first of all, maybe for some of you, a quick introduction to EDpuzzle, okay? if you want the basics, go back to the resource page and or just get in touch with me. Okay. And for those of you that are using this already, hopefully that shows you a shortcut. I want to address one thing really quickly. The people that are getting in touch with me lots of times will say, hey, I apologize. I know you're probably busy and everything like that. Please don't apologize. Don't worry about taking my time. That's what I'm doing. Okay. Anything and everything I can do to help you, please let me know. Have yourself a fantastic day.